Namaskar. As part of our continuing learning series, proud to present the Ashtanayikas. Ashtanayika is a collective term used to describe the 8 types of Nayikas or heroines as classified by Bharata Muni in his Sanskrit treatise for performing artists, the Natya Shastra. These 8 Nayikas have been classified on the basis of their emotional states or their avasthas with relation to their Nayaka, the hero. These 8 Nayikas are further classified on the basis of love in separation, which is Vipralambha, and love in meeting, Sambhoga. For the past 2 months, my senior disciples have been delving into the nuances of Nayika Bhava, and we decided to put up this series purely for academic pursuits. We hope that you take the rasa of these items. Extremely delighted to present the Nayika series.
The Vasaka Sajjika Nayika is the one who adorns herself with joy to welcome her Nayaka. She knows the time of his arrival, and this makes her impatient. The wait arouses her desires and passion glows on her cheeks. The Vasaka Sajjika Nayika has been depicted by Rashmi Motwani through the Kannada Javli Idene Sakhi, composed by Shri Venkatadri Shyama Rao. In this Javli, the Nayika is waiting at her home for her Nayaka. Anxious about his arrival, she adorns herself with the choicest of jewelry and clothes. Clearly love-struck, she describes to her Sakhi how bold, majestic and handsome her Nayaka is. She pesters her continuously with questions about his whereabouts. She has also made ready a puja thali and has made preparations for a grand feast to mark his arrival. The Nayika in this portrayal is a Manava, that is, of human origin. Being a Swakiya Nayika, she is completely faithful to her Nayaka. She is a Mugdha Nayika, that is, the inexperienced kind. She is young, bashful, and is inexpert in expressing her feelings and desires. Presenting Idene Sakhi in Ragam, Behag and Talam Adi.
ಹೇ ದಾರಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಸರಿಸಿದೆ ನಲ್ಲಿ ದಾರಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಸರಿಸಿದೆ ನಲ್ಲಿ ದಾರಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬೇಸರಿಸಿದೆ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಸಮು ಬರುವನೆಂದು ಹರುಷದಿ ಮನದೊಳು ಸರಸಮು ಬರುವನೆಂದು ಹರುಷದಿ ಮನದೊಳು ಸುರತ ಗೃಹವನ್ನು ಸಿಂಗರಿಸಿದೆ ನಂದೆ ಸುರತ ಗೃಹವನ್ನು ಸಿಂಗರಿಸಿದೆ ನಂದೆ ಸರಸಮು ಬರುವನೆಂದು ಹರುಷದಿ ಮನದೊಳು ಸುರತ ಗೃಹವನ್ನು ಸಿಂಗರಿಸಿದ ನಂಗೆ ವಿರಹದ ವಿರಹದ Hey